We're Krept Konan. We've released music from R&B to grime to hip hop. To hear how this is gonna gel together and sound is pretty exciting.
I'm Laurie.
I'm Isaac. And we are Slaves. You any jokes about the Beatles?
No. A lot of stuff feeds into our music. Punk, reggae, two-tone, and then also rap, but it comes out sounding pretty British and quite punky.
Masters of Potential and projects like it that blend talent and moments and creative in the same way they do their drinks is essential to have around, because people that are making things creatively are often focused on what they do, and there's not often people around them that can bring them together.
Krept Konan are one of the most exciting acts in the UK right now. So teaming them with Slaves, which is a whole different energy, smashing that together and seeing what happens, I think it's going to be really, really dynamic.
Morning.
What's for that?
Yes.
Mate, you good?
Come on, man.
What's the plan?
Abbey Road. We need some magic, man.
That's it, make some magic.
Yeah. I had a little bit of this though.
You like it?
Yeah, it was something hard.
Yeah, it sounds big.
People really react to like hearing a song flipped on its head, I think.
And also the suggestion of you rapping on there as well, taking your verse.
Just mash it up.
Never recorded live to vinyl before.
My palms are sweaty, to quote Eminem, so I'm nervous.
To be honest, it's just like you going on radio and them saying, you know, perform a track live for us, make sure you get it right first take. It's basically like that kind of pressure.
We're rolling.
Go.
Okay, here it comes.
The lion in the jungle shows no shame, it shows no pride. It does what it needs to stay strong and to survive. Yeah.
Krept Konan.
We were talking about what songs we thought might work. I was instantly drawn to I Told You because the synth line, I was like, that can instantly translate into a guitar riff. Rather than it just being a cover track, we took The Hunter, so it's got a real like Slaves versus feel, and yeah, it just worked.
Money by codes, I'm not part of by codes. Real ones, no discussion. Them brothers on nothing to the hill at when they come.
The idea is just to explore new ideas, new sounds, to potentially create a whole new way of thinking about music.
The exciting part of Live to Vinyl is that you're capturing elements of the imperfections and you're capturing it straight from the studio.
I think it's great that this gives people the opportunity to collaborate and get a taste of Abbey Road.
If you can't give your best and sound your best and share your best at Abbey Road, you can't do it anywhere.
We'll probably cross paths at festivals, but we'll never have the opportunity to actually get in the studio and get things going like right now. It's sick, man.
Blending sounds appeals to us because you create something that is brand new. And obviously Abbey Road is a legendary studio.
A lot of history,
A lot of history. I think Hennessy getting artists coming into working studios is very important, man.
Potential is just achieving your best more than you could ever expect of yourself. There's always that other level.
It's all about growth and seeing the potential in something, somebody. I think that's how a lot of people are discovered, and that's when you get the best of the best.
Jungle shows no shame, it shows no pride. It does what it needs to stay strong and to survive. Yeah.
Behave.
And cut there.
Yeah.
Here's a rat.